Hey, folks, I'm welcoming Jennifer Van to the Employee Spotlight for Turnkey 365 today. Welcome, Jennifer.
Why, thank you.
I am so glad that we've been talking a lot, getting to know you and getting to know each other and laughing a little bit. I think it sets us up perfectly for this. So, I got some quick questions for you, and let's roll with it.
Sounds like a plan.
What is your dream job?
Oh, that's funny you ask me. So my dream job has always been to do accounting. I've always wanted to do actually a CPA. I haven't got that yet, but I have always wanted to do CPA accounting work since I was in high school, as a matter of fact. It's rare. Not many people actually stick with that. They sometimes, most of the time, change between high school and college. But I've actually got a associate's, a bachelor's, and a master's, all in accounting. So I've stuck with it. Now, if I go through to CPA, is still kind of in the question. So it's a very hard test, but I love the accounting. I love the numbers. I love what they represent. I love what they tell a story. So I love backing into them and just love what they tell.
It's incredible that you think they tell a story. It's as if they really come to life, and they truly do. From our
Yeah,
perspective, we're an ERP consultant, and so many of the people we do business for come from the accounting and finance perspective. And truly, they do tell a story. They tell a story of business success. They tell
they
a
do.
story of business performance. They tell a story of opportunities for improvement and all these great things that we can take out to our customers. So you have a really unique perspective that really can resonate with our customers, and I love that.
Very much
So,
so.
so what's your role at Turnkey?
My role is actually a controller.
Controller.
Uh, yes,
Well, doesn't that work out well considering your dream job?
yes.
And how long have you been here?
I have been here for 3.5, soon to be 4 years come July. I've been here since 2019, and I absolutely love what I do.
So, were you hired as the controller
I was not. I was hired as assistant controller.
and recently promoted, I understand?
Yes, I was promoted last month in January, and I couldn't be more happier. So when I actually took the job, I was assistant controller, and yeah. So when I was promoted, I was very excited. So I'm happy to take on the more responsibility and to take on to the more jobs and the more numbers I can take on is exciting to see what they tell.
Well, congratulations, first of all. I mean, that's wonderful for this to be your dream job, and for you to attain it is an amazing thing. And it truly, it's an opportunity to help the company really find the next level of performance, find the next level, find the next level of growth, find the next level of who Turnkey is going to be as we go forward, so we can bring those services to our customer. And again, with that unique perspective you have, that is shared by so many of the stakeholders in our within our customer base, it's really amazing. So, what attracted you to come here?
What attracted me to come here was actually actually the ability to become an assistant controller. What I was before was I had been dropped to part time, and so I didn't have. I had some the ability to do the financials and things like that, but I wanted more. I wanted more numbers. I wanted more ability to understand. Um, the bigger picture of things. So and plus this was when I'm more of an IT company too. So I wanted that ability to understand the IT side of things as well. And so I wanted that, the both sides of it. So I that's what attracted me. And plus we're Microsoft and I enjoy Microsoft. And
Mm-hmm.
so it just all of those things together kind of attracted me to here.
Yeah, and there's several different types of organizations, but you have your manufacturing type of organizations, you have your project
Hmm.
services type of organizations, and then this allows someone in your role to go beyond just straight up accounting.
Right.
We get into, project services and revenue recognition and all of these different aspects that are unique or certainly an extraordinarily important aspect of a business like an ERP consultant such as us. So it allows you to go just beyond, you could just be in accounts payable, or you could just be in accounts receivable, or
Right.
something, or doing that sort of thing. Yet you're able to cross all of the multiple disciplines, and including things like the oh so important time tracking and revenue recognition for projects and billing and customers. And it really is an important aspect, not only of what we do, but again, everything ties back to what our customers do in our particular instance.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, because what I dealt with in my last company was just doctors, and
Mm-hmm.
there was no revenue that was being generated. It was just basically paying out
Mm-hmm.
their time that they worked. So being able to track that revenue and things like that, and margin levels and stuff like that, it's a different perspective, and it's really neat to watch those numbers tell a story.
I love that. I love that perspective. The numbers telling a story. Honestly, I've got a lot of gray hairs in my beard. I've never heard anybody say that, and that really is really encouraging to me, and just kind of really pumps me up, frankly. Uh, just before we finish up here, because you have a lot of work to do, do you have any insight or advice you can share with prospective employees or customers?
Um, I would just say that we have a great team. Um, I know that I love what I do. I know that I love the team that we have, the people. We have great people. They're knowledgeable. We have the right people in the right seats. The one thing I can say is that we are a great company. We know what we were doing, and like I said, the numbers tell a story. So
Well,
choose Turnkey.
mic drop. Choose Turnkey. Well, thank you so much. I'm really grateful for your time. Thanks for your willingness to be on camera like this. Thank you for willingness to do such a great job for us, because I know that everybody loves you here. You are a go-to person for us. And again, we could not be happier to have you in the controller role. I am certain of it, and I speak on behalf of everyone. Thank you, Jennifer.
Well, thank you very much, Chuck. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.